My name is Karen Martiz. I am the owner of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. On this video, I am going to walk you through how to set up your station before your client's eyelash extension application. Make sure you have your products all close enough so you don't have to move around. The last thing you want to do is disturb your clients by having to stand up too often during your application. By having all the products close to you, it would also help you with your speed during your application. So very important, you need your cleanser. As you know, the cleanser will help you get rid of any buildup or any oils that your clients might have on their lashes. I like to use a cleansing brush to cleanse my clients' natural lashes. Foam cleansers are really easy to use, and you just have to put a little bit on the cleansing brush like this. Also have the primer. This will help the natural lashes dry out and also remove any excess buildup. I also like to have micro swabs available in case I need to clean those lashes a little bit more, or in case that you have to remove and use a gel remover. You want to have your lint-free gel pads to protect your client's skin and their bottom eyelashes. Lash Blvd gel pads are super nice and flexible, and they attach really nicely to the skin. They're really nice and sticky. You also want to have lint-free medical tape. This tape is what will cover any of the bottom lashes that might be showing after you apply the gel pads. It also helps so that the gel pads don't move around when your client closes their eyes. I highly recommend you have at least 3 different sizes of eyelash extensions. I usually recommend the most popular sizes, which will be either the 0.15 if you do classic lashes. I like to keep them on a thick curl anywhere between 8mm to 12mm in length. But always use a minimum of 3 sizes during your application. Don't forget your glue. Make sure your glue is always fully closed so it stays fresher for longer. Shake really well. You always want to shake your glue like 30 seconds before the application. I highly recommend you use disposable glue rings. This means that you can get rid of the ring after you use it. I like to have a pair of straight tweezers and a pair of curved tweezers. Usually the curved tweezers are for isolation and the straight tweezers are for application. If you do the volume lashes, then you also want to have your volume tweezers handy. You also want to have a couple of mascara ones available and just leave them close to you so you can brush your client's lashes as you go. Once you're done with the application, you're going to need a lash correction mirror. You want to have an eyelash extensions correction mirror available to check if you need to troubleshoot any lashes before your customer opens up their eyes. I highly recommend you do this so it eliminates any discomfort when you're finishing up your work with your client. Don't forget the nano mister. This is what is going to provide with that moisture that you need so that your glue can dry and harden at the end of the application. It will help with your client's eyelash extension retention as well. Always check that your nano mister has water, and you want to always change it often. And at the very end, I always apply a little bit of sealant at the base of your client's eyelash extensions. This will help the glue to stay longer and not break down as fast. If you're missing any of these products on your kit, you can find them at lashblvd.com. And we also have a small eyelash extension kit that will have everything you need for your eyelash extensions application. Comment on the box below and let me know what else you would like me to talk about. Check out lashblvd.com for more tips, products, and trainings. And subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.